Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can install and how you can set up WhatsApp on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the Play Store and then use the search feature and type in WhatsApp. You should see it listed in the search results. If you want WhatsApp Business, then again use the search feature and type in WhatsApp Business. Or if you want to stick to WhatsApp Messenger, you can just select it from the search results. Once you've selected WhatsApp, tap on Install and simply wait for the app to be installed onto your phone. So as you're waiting, you can read through the app data, such as your data safety, any ratings and reviews, and even more information about this app, as well as scrolling through the different previews. So once you've done that, you should notice that the app has now been installed. So you can tap on Open to launch it, or you can go back to the home screen and tap on WhatsApp to launch it from there. From here, you need to select a language, and once you've selected your language, tap on the arrow button to go to the next step. Next, agree and continue with the terms of service. Then you'll need to allow WhatsApp to send you notifications. Then from here, you need to enter in your phone number. Once you've entered in the phone number, tap on Next. And then confirm that that phone number is correct. If not, you can tap on Edit to customize it again, or you can tap on Yes to continue. Then from here, you'll need to verify your phone number. So you can choose to continue with the missed call option, or you can choose to verify another way, and this will allow you to use the SMS option. So choose whatever method you prefer, and then you'll need to allow WhatsApp to access your call logs or your messages, depending on your options. And then wait for it to request a call. So then a call will come through and WhatsApp will verify your phone number automatically. Then from here, you'll need to grant access to your contacts and media. So you can choose to do that now, or you can choose to skip and do that later. It's up to you. So you can just tap on Continue, then give necessary permissions. And then if you have any backups, you can choose to install the backups, or you can choose to skip. It's up to you. Then you need to set up your profile. So you can add a profile image, or you can do that later, and you can give yourself a username. So once you've done all of that, then you can tap on Next. And now you can choose to add your email address, or you can skip and do that later. Now WhatsApp is ready for you to use. So you can now start chatting with your friends or anybody else who is using WhatsApp. You can look at updates, communities, make some phone calls. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.